However, I do feel that it's also that one has to take the right decisions at the right time. So it's all taking about the effective decisions and building an efficient team and making sure that your team is performing efficiently. You can't be doing everything and micromanaging it all. So in order to go global, have to build on partnerships, build a strong team, and be aware, do a market research of wherever you want to target your audience or whichever industry you're targeting. And then from there on, you can just reach people there, get their opinions, and see how it is. Because startups, businesses are limited with funds, especially in the current economic times. Globally, be it any industry, be it any country, we may say that, this country is booming, the economy is booming. Every country is facing its set of own challenges. So to rather than have, it's great to have a big vision, but I would strongly recommend on first doing the ground research, building a strong team, and then from there on take.